Thinking about the next step? Explore Robolabs LLM, featuring GPT-4o and advanced natural language processing to elevate your capabilities. Designed for businesses that demand the best, Robolabs LLM delivers seamless and intelligent experience. At its core, Robolabs LLM excels in maintaining and understanding conversation context over extended interactions. With its multiple language capabilities, Robolabs LLM bridges communication across regions effortlessly. But that's just the beginning. Easily manage your knowledge base and provides accurate, tailored response to your customers' needs. As your business evolves, so does Robolabs LLM. Keep it learning and improving by updating your knowledge base continuously. Need to escalate? Robolabs LLM assigns complex inquiries to the right division based on the context. Gain invaluable insights with robust analytics to make data-driven decisions. Look beyond the basic features. Robolabs LLM offers seamless integration with your current systems via external API capabilities. Access real-time data, fetch product information, or update customer profiles, all through a single, unified interface. Empower your Robolabs LLM accuracy with feedback mechanism feature. Make it easy for agents to improve the knowledge base of the chatbot so that it becomes smarter and more accurate over time. Unlock another powerful feature: interaction rules. These rules ensure seamless communication, let your brand voice to shine through, boost interaction quality, and enhance overall satisfaction. Rest easy with Robolabs LLM. Our advanced prompt injection prevention safeguards your AI against misuse and malicious activities, ensuring top-notch security and safety. Experience the power of advanced AI with Robolabs LLM. Elevate interactions, improve satisfaction, and drive your business forward. Upgrade to Robolabs LLM today.